Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to download YouTube playlist. You can always download YouTube playlist to enjoy pause-free streaming. Such downloaded YouTube playlists can be streamed limitlessly anywhere without an internet connection. Now, with the advent of the YouTube playlist downloader apps, saving your favorite playlist with a single click has been made easier. First, download YouTube playlist for free. If you are looking for a powerful YouTube playlist downloader, the Down R is your best bet. With the Down R, you can easily and instantly batch download YouTube playlists. Moreover, you can customize the output format. Here are the steps to use this easygoing YouTube playlist downloader. First, open thedownr.com on your web browser. Then, on your YouTube, copy the YouTube playlist link. Paste the copied URL into the text box on the down R and click on Download. Then, select the output format. The selected playlist will start loading. Upon completion, click on Download and you will be directed to another window. Note that you can download multiple playlists together. In this window, tap on Download. Finally, the process to convert YouTube to MP3 or any other format selected will start and save the playlist to your device upon completion. Finally, you can enjoy unlimited and hassle-free streaming anytime and anywhere. Thanks to the YouTube playlist downloader, all your favorites can be saved to your device and even shared to other devices. The D-Down, our YouTube playlist downloader, is sure to make your life easier and your streaming experiences seamless. No need to download every song separately or worry about unsafe sites. With D-Down R, you can quickly download YouTube playlists, and that too for free, and no matter which device you are using. This YouTube playlist downloader works fine on a variety of commonly used devices. So, go ahead and start using the ultimate YouTube playlist downloader. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.